3 games down, 2 games to go para sa ating Delta Cup 2024. May nagkapanapon kayo. Yun po ang kuha natin shot sa labas ng venue. At ito naman ang ating sa loob ng venue, Wenziao Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. Game 4 of 5 para sa ating Delta Cup 2023-2024. These two players that I'm gonna introduce to you, para naman sa Mabalacat City MCG Cares, MJ Elospa is one of the vital cogs for this club, and he wants to prove that he is a marquee player. Para naman sa Villa de Bacolod, Choc Moral, the skipper of this ball club, kailangan nila ng more consistency in passing and shooting. This is our match at hand for this game 4 of 5, Mabalacat City MCG Cares versus Villa de Bacolod. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Ryan Para po muli para dito sa SLA Sports Production of your Delta Cup 2023-2024. Huwag niyo po kalimutan na i-like and subscribe sa ating mga Facebook platforms ng Delta Cup. At of course, Facebook page at Pampanga PIO. At gayon din sa YouTube at Pampanga PIO and Sinagliga TV. Now, let's review our updated team standings kung saan itong dalawang kupunan na ito, pwestuhan at this stage. Sa team standings, ipakita natin ang Mabalacat team. Makikita natin they are on the bottom part of the standings, 3-5. So must win ito to at least tie no nalo kanina ng 1 Magala. On the other hand, the Villa de Bacolod is also on 3 wins and 6. Talagang they are lucky.
Presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by coverage partner Sinagliga. Catch the live action and the live broadcast at Pampanga Public Information Office, FB page and YouTube channel. This is our report. And now let's meet the starters for both teams. First, for your Mabalacat City MCG Cares. At guard number 6, Job Dizon. Also at guard number 18, JD David. At forward number 10, Nico Tipino. Also at forward number 0, JP Malyari. And center number 23, Benson Lescano. Head coach for Mabalacat City is Homer Pascual. Assistant coaches, Ronel Lanzang, Ronald Pascual, Jordan Biray, and June Dueñez. And now let's meet the starters for your Villa de Bacolod. Starting at guard number 9, Andre De Leon. Also at guard number 7, Jera Joquino. At forward number 19, JP Pangilinan. Also at forward number 10, Chog Moral. And center number 20, Mark Manese. Head coach for Villa de Bacolod is Jesus Pangilinan. Assistant coaches Rex Sancunan, EJ Kapati, Jude Datu, and JP Vizcaino. Game official charge in action, Jong Panaya, John Lisiges, and Dennis Escaros. This is the Delta Cup 2024.
Sabihin natin na ating starters for Mabalacat City MCG Cares. We have David Dizon, guard. For forwards, Tepino Malyani. And for center, we have Liscano. Para sa Bacolod, we have De Leon and Joaquino on the guard. Forward, I see JP Pangilinan and Chog Moran. And sa center, I see Mark Manise. Our referees, of course, is Jong Banayan Jr., Dennis Escaros, and John Lisiges. Let's get started with this game 4 of 5 ng ating Delta Cup. And MCG Cares Mabalacat wearing in white as they got the steal of the inbound and a layup. JP Malyari. Samantala naman ang Villa de Bacolod wearing in green. Neon green. Somewhat a dark neon green. Mintis doon si Pangilinan. Again, ako po ang inyong lingkod, Ryan Paro, coming to you live from the Wenziao Convention Center. Medyo mali yung ating graphic. Mamaya papakilala natin si Francine Marco. We will join us on the panel later. For some reports. In the meantime, we have a foul given up. At matatawagan ng foul sa Pangilinan. Early frustration for him. And that frustration might lead to much better output for Villa de Bacolod. Both of these teams are on the bottom part of the team standings. As we have Benson Liscano missing the first of 2 free throws. Importante dito yung kapag ikaw ay nasa bottom team standings, nakakapag-start ka na maganda. Para nang sa ganun, kung ano man ang mangyari sa team standings, magkaroon ka ng parang extra lift. At lalo-lalo na, once a week lang or twice a week lang ang laruan dito, Saturdays and Sundays. That might change in the playoffs, and we will announce that. Samantala, 10 to shoot. Here's a 3-point shot from the right corner. No soak that time. Rebound control for JP Malyari. David brings it up. Here's David, the one-hander. Nope. Battle for the loose ball. Meron tayong foul. Give it up. That's a foul against JP Malyari. First personal. Okay. Here's Bacolor. Here's Manise. Joquino. Moral. Oh, nice drop. Nako, Manise, hindi niya na-anticipate yung pasa. Only 6 to shoot. Down to 5. Moral. Stumble upon. Nowhere to go. David. Crossed. Kick out. 3-pointer. Air ball. A miss by Dizon. And we have Bacolor on the trail. Moral lost it. De Leon from the corner. Can't hit the 3, and we have a foul. Foul is on Manise. It's Mark Manise. Whoops! Muntik nang mag-backward yun. Tipino. Ball is kicked. Gusto talagang titira yung 3-point shot na yun. Oops. Ayan, ibibigay yung bola sa ating referee. And since this is a kick ball, shot clock retains at 17 seconds. They were going to inbound on the front court. That's Nico Tipino. 7:51 in the first. Wala pa pong score dito ang Bacolor. Villa de Bacolor. Bad pass. Liscano intercepts that pass. Tipino with a lob. Malyari converts. The high-flying Malyari. Here's Joquino. Can't drill a 3. Once again, Malyari. All right, 16 to shoot. Villa Bacolor with a possession. Here's Pangilinan. Spots from downtown. No soak that time. At the bola babalik sa Bacolor. Villa Bacolor with 13 on the shot clock. Here's Pangilinan from the corner. 7 to shoot. Joquino with a lob. Nako. Another turnover there for Villa Bacolor. Well, so far unproductive thrust for 6:43 remaining. Touch passing there. The reverse. Nothing. And here comes Villa Bacolor for the rebound. Fast break opportunity once again. Still looking for the very first basket para sa green shirts. We have a foul. It's a foul on Nico Tipino. So, Jog Moral, our player profile, can score the very first point for Villa Bacolor. He does. Ayan, makakupo na yung mga players. Alright, ang ating main game. Ingbayong Mexico at saka San Simon. Mamaya-maya yan. Or medyo may ano tayo ng konti sa graphics eh. Second free throw is no good for Chog Moral. So Chog Moral is a player who can play defense and at the same time create situations for his teammates. As David. The kick out pass. 3-ball converted by Nico Tipino. So far, 1 point for Villa Bacolor. Chog Moral, top of the key or area. Joquino from the base. 9 to shoot. Bad pass. Dizon picks it up. 2-on-1 situation. Dizon drops it up. Nice shot. Nice play. JD David. An early timeout for Villa Bacolor because they haven't scored any field goal in more than 4 minutes of playing time. 9-1 Mabalacat. Look at this. 2-on-1 fast break finish with David. Bucket.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Mga kasinag, don't forget, this SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia Facebook. Still have a 9-1 count. Wala pa pong field goal dito ang Villa Bacolor. De Leon inserted in the game. Here's Moral. Chog. Offline, way off. Didn't hit iron. Slow down tempo dito ang Mabalacat. David, momentarily open, decides to drive. David, sneaking past two defenders. No sock. Pangilinan keeps it alive for Villa Bacolor. Chog Moral's pass. And we have a whistle. It will be a foul against Mabalacat. That will be the second personal on Nico Tipino. So that will be a little development here on the part of Mabalacat. Now for Bacolor, Gabriel Lapira checks in. And Tipino checks out. And Jen Manalo checks in for Mabalacat. Inbound now for Villa Bacolor. Pangilinan, Chog Moral has it. A lot of time to shoot. An instant foul given up by the white shirts. Will be against JT David. Will be the first personal, and already Mabalacat is over the team foul limit. Almost a steal. It was taken away completely by Jen Manalo. Elospa. Oh, great cut. Just missed the layup there. Sorry, miss for Jen Manalo. 4:42 na lamang sa first. Lapira. Chog Moral. Goes right. 10 to shoot. De Leon lets it fly. No. Fresh shot clock. Pangilinan on corks from downtown. Misses. We have a foul. Foul will be against Geoff Dizon, and free throws time for Villa Bacolor. Remember, they haven't scored any field goal in this quarter. And Chog Moral scored all the 2 points for Villa Bacolor, our featured player. Maalat ang shooting on other players here. Para sa Villa Bacolor. All 3 points coming from him, Chog Moral. Pumuna si Andre De Leon. Pasok si JP Pangilinan. Let's turn it over to our another person on our panel, our courtside reporter, Francine Marco. Francine, what's your update?
Good afternoon, Ryan. I talked to Coach Homer Pascual ng Mabalacat City MCG Cares, and he gave me really good insights on his team's philosophy for this game. Since coming into this game, they lost against the Angeles City Red Warriors. I asked him what he thinks their biggest challenge was for this game, and he said, ang overconfidence daw ng kanyang team ang kailangan nila ma-overcome. to get today's win. That will help para magkaroon ng mas magandang quotient to get into the top 8. Naniniwala naman daw si Coach Homer na kayang-kaya ng kanyang team manalo. Kailangan lang nila trabahuhin at ika nga ni Coach, one game at a time lang and hoping for the best. Now back to you, Ryan.
Thank you so much, Francine Marco, for that brilliant report. So, ang coach ng Mabalacat ay talagang nag-iisip ng long-term solution. Not to be overconfident in just one occasion, but to be confident on all occasions. As we have basket counted for JP Pangilinan, because if that is a miss, that will be an automatic lane violation. 9-5, Mabalacat. And here's the attack. JP Malyari inside the paint. It paid off. Jen Manalo's first field goal. 3:30 remaining in the first. Game 4 of 5 ng ating Delta Cup. Pangilinan on the left wing. Fires and makes it! Now Bacolor getting 3 straight field goals. Elospa. The love. Gets it right back. Sneaking play, no good. Hang time didn't pay off. But there's a foul. And the last foul will be against Geoff Dizon. Pangalawa na yan. Ayan si Chog Moral. Wala pa siyang field goal. It's his first free throw. And he has 3 points. Yan po ang coach ng Bacolor, si Jess Pangilinan. And now there's a lane violation. Gerald Espino checks in para sa Mabalacat. Two and 49 remaining in the first. Pressure from the backcourt. Pangilinan with a steal, and that's going to be an easy conversion. Clarence Manlutak. Oh, great block. Counter steal almost. And now completed a counter steal, Elospa. Here's the drive. Rattles out. Oh. Jen Manalo comes to grief. Panghinay na tira yun. Pasok na, niluwa pa. .209 remaining in the first. It's a closely fought first quarter. 11-10, Mabalacat. Chog Moral, pinasa kay Pangilinan. His favorite spot. Different result. Chog has it. The love. And Figueroa can't figure the basket. It rims out again. Wow, this ball is really not serving its purpose. Maraming umalok na tira as Elospa comes with it for Mabalacat with less than 2 minutes remaining. 1:39 in the first. Elospa drives hard to the hole. Finally, he made it. First bucket for MJ. Tipsy-do, no, for Chog Moral. You know, both Chog Moral and Elospa, our marquee players, are very creative and dexterity. Malyari with a pass, inside play, prevailed. Chalk up another assist for Malyari as Gerald Espino scores his first field goal. 15-10, a minute remaining. Clarence for 3. Airballs that shot. Oh! Almost hit our television. Ang mahal niyan. 45 seconds remaining. Shot clock will be at 14 seconds. Here's Pangilinan. Hit one earlier. Drives hard. One-handed short. Rebound. Lapira. Puts it up. Nothing. Still green ball. And almost a bucket. Finally a step back. That is a basket by Andre De Leon. 19 ticks. Turnover. And we have a foul. First personal for MJ Elospa. Penalty situation in effect from Mabalacat. Don't look now. This is just a 3-point game. 15.9 seconds. Make that 2. First bucket for Noel De La Cruz. Split. Pangilinan. Counted. And see that again in slow-mo replay. Bonus free throw now for Pangilinan. And so far, if he scored this, it will just be a 1-point game, but he didn't. 10 seconds, another steal. Clarence Manlutak sidestep. Another foul, this time JP Malyari, his second. Two important free throws now for Villa Bacolor. Clarence Manlutak. There's fired shots there. One more free throw. It is tied at 15, our first deadlock. It's no good. Only 3 seconds remaining. Wow. Lucky break for Villa Bacolor. They can write the last sentence of the first chapter, 2.7 seconds. Score is 15-all. The cut. Figueroa, no. And first quarter is history. Tied at 15. Take a look at some of the highlights of the first quarter. We have this Pangilinan 3-point shot. There's a drop to David. Another bucket. There's Elospa with the getaway. Those are the highlights. We're tied at 15 at the end of first. We'll be right back.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
Don't forget, sa Burtonsville, Maryland, sa Paint Branch High School, sa darating na Marso Agis, ang ating Sinag Lakas 40 and PBA Legends Basketball Exhibition Game. Don't forget that. Tablatayan 15 apiece. Welcome you back at the Brenzy Yao Convention Center at Santo Fernando, Pampanga. Game 4 of 5 ng ating Delta Cup. So I'll be doing 5 straight games. Tomorrow po, it will be 5 straight games for Penelope Wilhelmia. Nakita niyo po si De Leon. Sa mga players ng Villa Bacolor, Andre De Leon. So deadlock tayo at 15. Ganito kagalitit ang laban between Mabalacat and Bacolor. This win will be very important for both squads. The winner will move closer to the playoffs. The loser will be moving closer on the brink of elimination. So ganun ka-importante itong laban na to. As Dizon will inbound to start the second quarter. Together with him is Tipino. We have Elospa. We have Liscano. And we have also Jen Manalo. Shot clock is a problem now. 7 seconds. Pump fake, the release. Oh, could have been a block, but there's contact upstairs. Foul on Andre De Leon. Oh, check that. It's Kurt Figueroa. First personal for Figueroa. Missed shot, free throw, Jen Manalo. So far, he scored 2 points in this ball game. That's Jen Manalo. Make that 3. .30 seconds gone by in the second quarter. A cut. And that is an out-of-bounds play. Noel De La Cruz stepping his foot on the line. Elospa trap from the backcourt. Across the 8-second line. Double team. They swing it around. Low post play. Pump fakes. The hook. It goes. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Great move there for Jen Manalo. It's a second personal rather for Mike Manise. And Manalo completes a 3-point play. He has 6 points to lead those scores. 19-15. A minute gone by in this second quarter. It rattles out. Turnover. Nice dive. But the ball was kicked. We'll stay with the green shirts now. Important inbound for Bacolod. You see the coach of Macbalacan, Homer Pascual, watching from the distance. 8 to shoot now. Joaquino spots short. Macbalacan basketball now. This game is relatively low scoring. Especially you can account to yourself yung mga mintis na tira on both squads. Ang dami nila mintis na tira. Dizon, may tangan ng bola para sa Mabalacat. Corner flip. Missing a 3, we have a foul. It's a foul on Noel De La Cruz, his first personal. Inbound. Elospa, top of the key. Provided by Dizon. From the base, the attack. Step on the baseline. So turnover doon ang Mabalacat. That's Jock Dizon. Here's De Leon on the left wing. The lob! Oh! Sapal. Foul. Sorry miss for Kurt Figueroa. Look at that. Free throws no good for De La Cruz. Alright, habang nag-free throw si Noel De La Cruz, ipasa muna natin kay Francine Marco for this report.
Yes, Ryan. I was able to speak to the Villa de Bacolor's head coach, Coach Jesus Pangilinan, and like every other team, talagang naniniwala si Coach na sa depensa galing ang panalo. Kaya naman, para sa Villa de Bacolor, depensa rin ang puhunan. But he also believes that this will be challenging for them since they had limited time in training due to the schedule of the players. Pero he believes that teamwork will make the dream work. And coming from their win against Juan Magalang, the team would like to keep their momentum going. Kaya naman, he'd need both his key players and second stringers to step up for this very important game, as Coach Jesus Pangilinan said. Now back to you, Ryan.
Thank you so much, Francine Marco. So, ganun ka-importante para sa Bacolor na manalo. De Leon, 3. Rebound. White Shirts has it. Here's Dizon. Bump. Hard and hounded. It's going to be a foul against Joquino. That will be his first 3-point lead para sa Mabalacat. Elospa. Low on his three-pointer. Nothing on the offensive board for Mabalacat, and one player step out of bounds. Three-point Mabalacat lead, 6:40 in the second. Penalty na po ang Bacolor. Only one team foul for Mabalacat MCG Cares. Manise will check out. Dizon. 10 to shoot. Wanna spread out. Dizon makes his move. Goes left. Drives. From the corner baseline. Sidestep. Lays it up. Wala. And the shot clock expired. Hindi tumama sa iron ang Mabalacat attempt. It will be a shot clock violation. Villa Bacolor gets back the possession with 6:21 to play in the second. De Leon momentarily open. Lopez play for Figueroa. Here's the 3-ball. Off the iron. The zip pass intercepted. Here's Magalang. Fast break. Elospa is gone. Four points now for MJ Elospa. Oh, bad pass. Elospa has it. Inside cut from the base. Here's the shot. Sumobrang tira. The Briones. Only the second team foul from Mabalacat. (21 to 16) Mabalacat. Villa Bacolor ay nila magpalayo. Here's De Leon. The lob. Exactamente. Basket by Noel de la Cruz. It's a foul on Jen Manalo. That will be the second foul on Jen Manalo. Replay shows this. De Leon, lob. And an very well executed play by Noel de la Cruz. 3-point play completed. (21-19). Elospa jumper from 16. Can't book it.
On barrel shot off 13 seconds.
13 on the shot clock now for the White Shirts. Dizon will inbound on the baseline. 21-19. Medyo dikit ang ating laban sa second quarter. Here's a 3. Wala. Pwestuan. Dizon has it. But ball knocked away again. Past its hands. All right, we have... Uy. Tinawagan si Job Dizon. Faking a foul.
There is a challenge for Villa Bacolor. All players are requested to proceed to shaded lane.
So may challenge po dito ang Villa kay Bacolor. referees will review the last bit of action. Kung kanino talaga yung possession na yun. Still reviewing it. Again, those games to Sunday, mamaya i-announce natin yan. Of course, those 5 games will be brought to you by Penelope Wilhelmia. She will cover all those 5 games for you. 21-19. Ball possession will go to Mabalacat. Take a look at this last bit of action in slow-mo. Ito yung offensive rebound. Okay, nakakapigay. Inbound, Elospa. Corner flick 3. Nothing. Walang tinamaan. 4:47 remaining inside. De La Cruz scores again. Chalk up another assist here for Villa Bacolor. Look at that smothering block by Figueroa. He literally figured it out.
Shot clock 17 seconds.
And Figueroa takes the heist. Mr. Figure in full display. That shot is air ball. Corner flip. Nako. Patay ang butiki. Dizon inside. Here's the attack. 4 seconds on the shot clock. Shot will not work. Figueroa. Moral with the lob. Oh! Ooh. Kapulong. Or maybe one player is down hard on the hardwood. That might be... let's see that again. So from the rebound. Bagsak na yun. Bit worried about it, but anyway, this game is now deadlocked for the very first time at 21 apiece. 3:47 remaining in this first half of action. Five-second violation. This is rare. We rarely see that infraction. Manabat. Inside pass. Is that counted? Yes. It is counted. And the foul is against Gab Lapira. Elospa with an N1 opportunity. 3:36 to play in the second. It is good. And so far, Elospa has 7 points. 24-21, 3:33 remaining in the second. Here's Austria on courts. Short. Elospa lost his dribble. And still misses. Finally, Chuck Moral tips it in. Elospa once again. Back-to-back baskets for him. 9 points for Elospa. 40 to shoot, Moral. Tightly roped. Baseline drive, here it comes. Kick out, Pangilinan, open, 3, yes! Another steal for Bacolor. Chog Moral gets it to go. 5-point swing. 5-point swing. 10 points for Ken Pangilinan, for JP Pangilinan. 5 points for Chog Moral. 28-26. We have a timeout.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Balik po tayo dito sa Brains Yao Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Ang ating score 28-26. And of course, SLA goes to Visayas. 19 under, Boeing 2004, and 17 under, Boeing 2007 this April. That's about 2 months from now. Again, muli po, papatuloy po ang Delta Cup. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, commentator Ryan Paro po lamang live dito sa Brains Yao Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Alright, Manabat. May tangan. Manabat, binigay kay Dizon. They swing it around. Here's a 3-ball. Kapos. Kapalaran. We're approaching the 2-minute mark of this first half. 26-28. Moral. It's Chog Moral, our feature player. JP Pangilinan. Second 3 in the second quarter. Oh, now he's heating up. Under 2 minutes remaining. And another turnover. Substitution. 31-26. Let's see this. 3-ball by JP Pangilinan, who now has 13 points. 13 first half points. 1:45 in the second quarter. Ito na po si Chog Moral. From the corner, they swing it around. Chog drives, sidestep, almost batted away. 6 to shoot. Oh, look at that. Malyari has some words for Moral. He needs to be careful. And Lapida scored a basket. And now the play is beginning to be intense. Joquino with a steal. 7-point lead for Bacolor. Chog Moral right down the base. Throws it up. A wild shot. Nowhere to go. So ngayon, medyo umiinit-init na ang laban natin. Ito, takbong na naman. The lob. JB Malyari hounded. And the ball goes. And it will stay with Mabalacat. Substitution. (33-26). A minute remaining. Here's Manabat. He drives. Dizon. Malyari scores. 6 for Malyari. 33-28. The lead is 5 for Villa Bacolor. 15 to shoot. There's another 3. JP Pangilinan is waxing hot. 16 points. Pressure from the backcourt. 2 seconds to cross. It is an 8-second backcourt violation. Well, look at the Jess Pangilinan. Very intense. Joquino. Chog Moral says, let's be patient. Shot clock is off. Okay, run down the clock. And it's going to be a foul. Look at... Okay. It's penalty time. There's a second foul on Kevin Tolentino. First free throw is in. Chog Moral has 6. Yes, 7. 12 seconds to go before we end this first half. Tolentino. Some pressure. JP. Not much time. They need to put it up. No. Pippin. No. Put back. Yes! Is that counted? Well checked. We will check. We're gonna review it. Here's the clock. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, in time. Just in time. Basket counts. It's a basket by Tolentino. So at the end of this first half, Tolentino, right? The last sentence of the second chapter. Bacolor 38, Mabalacat 30.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Kapampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a Freeport zone. Home to business parks, PPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday. But also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday. Some whip themselves until their backs swell or bleed, or carry wooden crosses. For the more courageous ones, they vow to have themselves nailed on the cross as a way to repent for their sins. These unique rituals, traditions, and devotion have attracted much media and tourist interest since featured in the 1960s.
So come home and explore all these and more here in Pampanga, in the heart of Central Zone.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot. You ready to rock? 19 under, coming very soon.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Kapampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming.
Halftime score natin, 38-30. Villa de Bacolor is ahead by 8 points. Ipapakita natin sa inyo ang ating mga halftime highlights after 20 minutes of playing time. Let's start with this 3-point bomb exploded by JP Pangilinan. Paborito niya yung left quarter court. And Elospa with the penetration inside the paint. Pumasok. And on a swing play, fast break finish by Villa Bacolor. And of course, Elospa once again manning the fast break finish. And ito, JP Pangilinan again, exploding from 3-point territory. So take a look at our leading scores for both squads. MJ Elospa 9, Jamin Malyari 6, and Jen Manalo 6 for Mabalacat City MCG Cares. Martin Pangilinan 16, Chog Moral 9, and also 6 points para sa Villa Bacolor. As we're about to start the third quarter action dito sa Brenzy Convention Center. Let's take a look at the lineup. Moral, De Leon, Pangilinan. We also have Figueroa and De Leon completing, or Cunan completing the 5 for Bacolor. Para naman sa Mabalacat, we have Elospa. We have Malyari. As we see this Moral miss layup. We also have Dizon. We also have Liscano. And we have a bucket here for Bacolor to start the third quarter. And of course, completing the 5 is Nico Pipino. 9 points now for Chog Moral. 40-30 is their count. The lob. Elospa. Reverse. Oh, beautiful. And there's a foul as well. Take a look. Oh, yes, there is a foul against Figueroa. It will be second personal. And bonus free throw for Elospa. He completes a 3-point play opportunity. The lead is 7, 40 to 33. The Leon breaks the press, goes to the 8-second line. The lob, Figueroa can't figure it out, but there's a foul to boot. It's a foul on Liscano, his second. Two shots for Figueroa. Oh! Didn't hit iron. Hit only the board. Sweaty palms here for Figueroa. Makes it. First point for Kurt Figueroa. Another steal, Pangilinan. Not this time around. The lead is 8 for Villa Bacolor. The spin, the turn by Elospa. Elospa can convert. Fast break, crossover, drives, partially deflected. And a layup. Pipino scored a basket. He has 5 points. The score now is 41 to 35. Lamang pa rin ang Bacolor, 8 and 17 in the third. Villa Bacolor. 3-point shot once again. Not this time. Nice ball movement. Almost resolved to a basket. Here's a fast break finish. No, he blew it. He blew it. Inside pass. Almost telegraphed. So the referees changed their mind. The original calls Bacolod. Now they change it to Mabalacat. 6-point game. Kailangan dito na Mabalacat slowly but surely can come back. Here's the drive. Malyari to Dizon. Thought about a three. Here's Malyari right down the base. The spin, the turn, and the foul by Figueroa. Third personal on Figueroa. Two free throws for Malyari. And Malyari misses the first of two free throws. So this is just a 6-point game. Anything can happen. 6 points pa lamang si JP Malyari. Make that 7. 7.5 remaining. The trap is on. One player hits the deck. Bounce pass. Figueroa scores. On a fast break. Bounce pass. Corner flip. It's out. Put back rejected. And a turnover. So we're seeing both teams medyo butterfingers ang kanilang paghawak ng bola. Now, Bacolod had 12 seconds on the shot clock. Moral, that's a long three. Offline. Pangilinan can't make it for the putback. Another turnover for Mabalacat. Hang time. No. Pangilinan inside. Bounce pass. Almost intercepted. Moral with a drop. De Leon was fouled.
Foul number 10. Nico Tipino. That's his fourth. Second deep round.
Fourth personal foul for Nico Tipino. First free throw is good for Andre De Leon. Missed. (44-36). Inside, Malyari, nice pass, a lost pass, scores. 13 points for Elospa. Steal there by Dizon. Dizon with a getaway. Believe it or not, that's the first field goal for Dizon. Pangilinan, no. Chance now for Mabalacat to come back. This is just a 4-point game. Elospa, Dizon. Back to Elospa. Pump fakes. Yes, sir. 15 points for Elospa. The lead of Villa Bacolod suddenly almost evaporated. It's just 2 points. 44-42. Take a look at this. Teamwork between Malyari and Elospa. And we have a timeout.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
All right, 5 minutes and 53 remaining in this third quarter. And so far, Bacolod with a 2-point lead. Very important for both teams. At stake here is a slot on the final 8 para sa ating playoff picture. 44-42 right now. Ito na ang Bacolod. Here's Moral on the right wing. Moral may tangan ng bola. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Moral makes his move. There's a pick provided. Moral He's swinging around on the left wing. Here's the drive. 7 on the shot clock. Inside play. The reverse. No good. Rebound. A chance now for Mabalacan to tie. And De Leon takes the ball away. 3-point shot for De Leon. Yes! How about that? A steal and a 3-pointer for Bacolor. And here's Elospa. Nagmamadali going with a drop pass. And a nicely done play. Jen Manalo with the bucket. 47-44, approaching the halfway point of the third quarter. Ill-advised shot. And we have a foul. Well, we expected these teams are really letting it all out. Look at this pass. Elospa finding an open Jen Manalo underneath. Here's the inbound. Another intercepted pass. Here we go. Tumatakbo na naman ang Mabalacan. Manaman almost lost his bearings. Drives hard. Nowhere to pass. Nowhere to pass. Now, the White Shirts are pressing. Here's the lob pass. No. Sayang. Nice save by Figueroa, but it will go back to Mabalacan.
Substitution. Galapino for Nerd Figueroa.
Figueroa will check out. The lead is 3 points. This is anybody's bogey from here on in. Evenly matched contest between these two squads. All right, here it comes. Dizon breaks loose on the 8-second line. Elospa with a pump fake. Here's the drive. Elospa left-handed. My feature player now scored 17 points. Top scoring for Mabalacan. The lob pass again. Another interception. A chance for Mabalacan to take the lead. Dizon will not get it because there is a tap by Chog Moral inside. Now let's bring in Francine Marco for this report.
Hello, Ryan. It is a winner-go-home game for the team of Mabalacat City, according to Genevieve Manalo, the standout of Mabalacat City's last game against Angeles City Warriors, who scored 17 points. According to him, winning this game is their ticket to the next round, which they have been working and training hard for. Kahit may challenges man, like some of their teammates being out of condition, and this might be an uphill battle for Mabalacat City, considering their loss against Angeles City Warriors. Ang sabi ni Genevieve, tiwala and communication lang daw ang kailangan ng team para manalo, at naniniwala naman siya na kayang-kaya naman nila. Now back to you, Ryan.
Well, that's what's lacking for the White Shirts right now. Yung tiwala at communication, as another basket there by Bacolor, establishing them a 3-point lead. Here's Manalo inside the paint. He draws a foul, will take 2 free throws. Napaka-importante dito, Mabalacan na magkaroon sila ng cushion. Pero lagi sila nauumusan, na-outsmart ng Billy Bacolor. Now 2 free throws will be awarded for Jen Manalo. All important free throws right now. Remember, this is just a 3-point game. Oh, well, that shot would not help. Jen Manalo way short on his first attempt. Miss both. Leads to the 3:23, third quarter. Look at the dribbling there by the guards of Bacolor. Trying to shoot. Pick and pop, didn't drop. Here's the shot. It doesn't drop. And the ball goes back to Bacolor. Active hands. And that's I think a foul out of bounds. It is. The press is on. 2 minutes and 55. Mabalacan within the striking distance. Oh, ball almost batted away. Elospa now taking care of that basketball. Elospa fires a 3-point shot. It does not work. Back irons it. Here's De La Cruz on a fast break. De La Cruz almost grabbed her. Lays it up too strong. Put back. It's there. It's there. Timely basket for Andre. It's going to be a foul against Jen Manabat. that last bit of action, slow-mo. 3-point play opportunity for Andre De Leon. Miss. 51-46. 28. Whoops. It only leaves a second to cross the 8-second line. So they need to have a player to receive on the front court. Otherwise, mapuputukan ng Mabalacan ng 8-second backcourt violation. Nicely done there by Manalo. And they're leaving now 12 on the shot clock with 2:19 in the game clock, third quarter action. Dizon only has 2 points. Quarterbacking this team very much. Dizon drives, moves out, almost lost it. 2 on the shot clock, and wala na. Naubusan na sila ng shot clock. Shot clock violation para sa Mabalacan. 2:06 remaining in this third quarter. And a steal, Elos Padala, Malyari puts it up, too strong. De Leon gets the rebound. Meron tayong foul on the backcourt. It might be a foul on Dizon. Yes, it is. And that will be third personal on Job Dizon. 51-46. First is good. De Leon with 10 points. 11. (53-46), 7-point game. (10 to shoot). Elospa goes left. Dizon, 5 to shoot. Manalo, triple team. 2 on the shot clock. They need to put it up. It goes iron. And here's a fast break for Bacolor. They blew it. Yes, they blew it. Look at that. 3-on-1 fast break went down the drain for Bacolor. 1:24. The lead is 7. Press is on. Malyari receives it. Malyari maneuvers against 2 defenders. Sidestep. Kick out to Elospa. Dizon drives. Hounded. Corner flip. No. That time, another turnover. Back to back for Bacolor. Almost a steal there. Here's Elospa. Here's the drop pass inside. Gets it to go. Gets it to go. Manalo with the right balance. He now has 10. And he's hitting the deck hard, a little bit hard. But he's A-okay. Timely passing by the white shirts of Mabalacan. Take a look at this. Exact pass. Foul. Off balance. Basket counts. So, Jen Manalo will take a bonus. He has 10 points. Long, 47 seconds. Joaquino brings it up. Shot clock, now a problem, 10 to shoot. Here's De Leon, the lob. Joaquino from the corner, fires a 3-point shot. No, rebound. Steel Green Shirts has it. Yes! Let's see that again. Bonus free throw. In and out. Uh-oh, wait. Is there a foul? Foul on the other end. 55-48, 25 seconds. Third quarter action. It's just a 14 foul for Bacolor. Not much time on the game clock. 20 seconds. And they got a steal. Manlutak drives. There's a foul. Foul on Elospa. It will be the second personal. Ito, battle of spurts ito, mga kaibigan. Akala mo, gaganon-ganon lang ang Bacolor, pero bumabalik-balik ang Mabalacat time and again. As Manlutak scores first of 2 free throws. Coming off the bench, he has 3 points. Four points. 57-48, almost a turnover. Yes, it is a turnover. Manlutak with a heist. But they ran out of space, Joquino. So we see one turnover after the other. .5. Dizon. Down to 3, down to 2. Dizon. Malyari needs to put it up. Almost. And that's all she wrote in the third quarter. 48-57, Bacolor. As we take a look at his third quarter highlights for you. Layup scored by Dico Tipino. Chong Moral, our featured player, uses the glass. And this pass. And Lospa. The conversion. One more quarter to play to determine who's going to win this game. Bacolor ahead by 9.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Alright, siya nga pala, meron tayong pabate. Or bago yan, punta muna tayo sa ating mga social media accounts. Like, share, and subscribe ng ating Facebook page ng Delta Cup at Pampanga PIO. Also on YouTube at Pampanga PIO and also at Sinag Liga TV. Sa ating magiting na cameraman na si Saldi Kalawagan, of course, nagpapabati ang kanyang napakagandang anak na si Apple Kalawagan. Happy birthday, Apple. Fourth quarter is underway. Dizon, Elospa, Manalo. We also have Tipino and Malyari completing the 5 for Mabalacat as Malyari misses the shot. Dizon gets it right back. The hang time will prevail. Highlight yan, direct. We have Joquino, Pangilinan, Moral. We also have number 2 player, that's Santos, and Figueroa completing the 5 as a missed shot there. Pangilinan will try a 3-point shot, rims out. Battle for the rebound. That's a 3-ball from the top of the key. Wala. Rebound, Dizon. Fast break now for Mabalacat. The lead is down to 7. Dizon on a tightrope situation draws a foul against JP Pangilinan. Third personal foul on JP. So 2 free throws now for Dizon. He only is limited to 2 points.
2 free throws for Tom Dizon.
First free throw. Yes. Dizon with 3 points now. 57-51. This is just a 6-point game. Remember, this game is so important for both squads. At stake here is a possible 8th spot for the upcoming playoffs. This is game 4-5. And again, mga kaibigan, magandang hapon po. Papunta na tayo sa gabi. My name is Juan Paro, doing the call as we see a bucket by Chog Moral. 11 points for Chog. And they got the steal from the backcourt. Bad pass there by Dizon. Pangilinan momentarily open. From the corner, it goes. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha pa rin ni Chog Moral. Active hands for Chog. Para sa Villa Bacolod. Chog Moral with a bounce pass. Here's Joaquino. Scores! Brilliant assist there by Chog Moral. That's why I choose him as a marquee player. And Tempino, touch it last. Now Villa Bacolod tightened up their screws on defense. Let's see this crossover, the bounce pass, and the finish by Joaquino. Baseline drive, Moral. Kick out, 3-ball, Pangilinan. Got it! 64-51. Suddenly, the Bakers doesn't lead for Bacolod. The Mabalacat feeling the pressure right now. Almost a steal, Dizon. Drives, Dizon lays it up and in. 5 points now for Job Dizon. The lead is 11. Figueroa too fast for his own goal. Out of, oh, look at that! Umupo pa sa stage. Kita niyo yun? Pwedeng kunin yan direct eh. 64-53. Manalo, almost an 8-second violation there. Elospa drives hard. Kick out, Tipino. 10 seconds to shoot, Dizon. 3-ball from the corner, Elospa, nothing. And that's going to be a foul. Oh, it's going to be a foul on Santos. It's going to be a foul on Santos. The coaching staff can't believe it. From the base, here's Tipino. Drives, Dizon, corner, 3, no. Joaquino brings it up for Bacolod. Crossover by Chog Moral. Hit the head. It is a foul. It is a foul. Oh, they're going to review that. This last bit of action. It might hit in the names, but the referees want to review this last incident. So that call might be upgraded or it can be retained as a regular foul. So depende sa tingin ng ating mga referees. 64-53. This is game 4-5. Again, my name is Ryan Paro, doing the call for the Delta Cup 2024. Tomorrow, both 5 games. See Penelope Wilhelmia. It is just a pushing foul. Let's see that again. Okay. It is a foul. So, hindi naman sadya yun. A foul on Elospa. That will be his 3rd personal. 64-53 now. It's 14 on the shot clock. Chog Moral makes his move. Chog. Bounce pass. Joaquino. Drives. Kick out. Pangilinan. Couldn't convert. Rebound. Malyari. Play continues. And it's going to be traveling. Yes, traveling. Important place now for Bacolod. They are now protecting an 11-point lead from a skirmish of Mabalacat. Alam nila na gagawa ng uprising ng Mabalacat, so hindi nila hayaan to. 3-point shot, partially deflected. Good defensive stance there by Tipino. Malyari drives hard. Nowhere to go, but it will stay on the backyard of Mabalacat. Right, 15 seconds shot clock. The lob. Elospa. 3-point shot. No. Chog. Got a steal, yes. But ran out of space nonetheless. $5:55 remaining in the final quarter. $14 to shoot now. Here's Elospa on the left wing. 10 to shoot. Drives hard. Elospa ran out of balance and lost it. 5:35 remaining. Bacolor can hold on to this for the next 5 minutes. Here's Chog working doubly hard on his setup plays. Chog kick out to Joquino. Joquino creates space. Nothing. Malyari gets the rebound. It's going to be a foul. Alright, so wala pa po sa penalty ng Bawal Kupunan. 64 to 53. 5:19 to go in the Bonge. Elospa inside. The reverse. No. Manalo gets it to go. Lead is 9 points. Halfway point on the final quarter. 5 minutes. Three-point shot, no. Put back, yes. Nice timing there for Noel de la Cruz. He's back to 11, 66-55, 4:39 to go. Malyari almost lost it. Dizon with a lob. The reverse, got it. Here's the play of Bacolor. Moral. 7 to shoot. Moral makes his move. Crossover. Moral gets away. He wants to dunk it. Chog Moral. 13 points. What an explosive first step, huh? And they almost got a steal. And Malyari and De La Cruz tied up each other. It's going to be a jump. Session hour pointing to Bacolor. Woo. Look at this. Crossover. Goodbye. Moral is gone. He wants to dunk it, ha? Gusto niyan idakdak yun. That particular move reminds me of Penny Hardaway. All right, possession now goes to Bacolor. So, mayroon tayong konting problema sa goal support. Alright, bago yan, let's turn you over to Francine Marco for this report.
Hello again, Ryan. Kitang-kita naman natin that Villa of Bacolor are really hustling to extend their stay in Delta Cup. Dahil sabi nga ng team standout, JP Pangilinan, na they really want to secure their spot in the quarterfinals. Para nga daw sure na, sabi ni JP. And when I talked to him after the first half, he said, pinakita naman daw nila nung first half ang kanilang depensa at kailangan talaga nila mapanatili ang kanilang momentum and maging wise sa decisions nila as a team. Iisa lang naman daw ang mindset niya coming into every game is talagang manalo. We can really see sa kanyang performance at the moment how much he wants to win. Back to you, Ryan.
The desire to win and also the teammanship of Bacolor purely displayed on that smothering block earlier. And now another fast break finish on the horizon. Figueroa slam dunk! Whoa! Bacolor riding high with his 15-point bubble from the defensive end with a steal. Figueroa with exclamation! Timeout!
split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Well, mga kaibigan, Figueroa rising above water with that Slama Jama. Gives them the biggest lead in the ball game for Villa Bacolor, 70-57. Now, for Mabalacat, this is a very, very precarious situation. A loss here could mean 9th place for them. Dizon sidestep, beauty! Basta-basta susuko Mabalacat. They're up by, they're down by 11 points. We have a foul on the backcourt. Let's see that again. Dizon with a great escape act. And Dizon called for a sport personal foul, so he needs to be careful. Drop the shoot now. Here's the spin. Here's the turnaround. It rattles out. Ball stays there. Bacolor. Active hands here for Bacolor. Moral. Chog Moral has been the catalyst. Moral. Kick out. Here is the layup. Naku! Traveling para sa Villa Bacolor. Hirap talaga i-pronounce eh. Hindi naman kasi ako pampampangan. Nasanay kasi ng Bacolor eh. Yung pala Bacolor. Eh, nako. 70-59. Here's the pass. Oh, it hit the board. Bounce pass. Figueroa once again. Slam dunk! Did we see that? Ladies and gentlemen, I haven't seen 2 slam dunks in the game in 1 quarter in the same player. It's a statement game for Figueroa. He has 7 points. We're now on the last 2 minutes of this ball game. 3-point shot, no good. Rebound, Dizon, no. Pangilinan says, let's secure this win. And Pangilinan says, hold it, hold it. Atin na to. 13-point lead. Jump ball, the ball possession goes back to Mabalacat. 1 minute and 39 remaining. So far, it has been JP Pangilinan spread heading the charge. And the finishing kick for Bacolor is those 2 Slama Jamas by Figueroa. Talagang, he rocks the cradle on that. 72-59. This has been one of the lopsided scores in this ballgame, but not without a fourth quarter onslaught by Bacolor. They only allow Mabalacat to score 11 points. And now they score 13 with a layup by Dizon. And Dizon now has 11 points on the losing cause. 11 points. Chog Moral once again. Figueroa! 3 in a row. He throws it down with authority. Inside, there's a foul. Unbelievable Figueroa, 3 slam dunks in 1 quarter. Woo! This guy has a future. Reminds me of Kevin Kiambao. Ganyan ang physique ni Kevin Kiambao noong pandemic. Now Figueroa has that. And he can improve that. First free throw is good for Manalo. And he has 15 points. One more free throw for Manalo. And 16 points for Jen Manalo on a losing cause as well. 53 seconds, 74-62. Here we go, 3-point shot, Pangilinan, no. And ball goes out of bounds. Teka muna, ba't umaanda ng shot clock? Wait. Teka muna. Ayun. Reset lang pala. Chog Moral. He's looking for Figueroa. He can't get it. 3 seconds. They need to put it up. 3-point shot. And that's a shot. Play continues, rather. 20 seconds. 19 seconds. Here's the layup. Yep. Well, it is a one-ball game now for Bacolor. Final 7 seconds. Figueroa. 3-point shot. De Leon. The game is over. A win for Bacolor with a tune of 74-65 against Mabalacat. Well, sinimulan nito ni JP Pangilinan at tinapos emphatically ni Kurt Figueroa with those 3 slam dunks. And mamaya-maya, i-interview natin ang ating best player, of course, this guy, JP Pangilinan with 19 points matching his jersey. Yung kanyang 9-point first half explosion with those 3 3-point bombs. Talaga nagdala dito. 74-65 ang ating score. Villa de Bacolor wins 9 points convincingly against Mabalacat. They are surviving on the team standings. Meron na silang kartadang 4-5 record. Ngayon, i-interview natin ang ating best player of the ballgame. Walang iba kundi si JP Pangilinan. JP, magandang hapon sa iyo. JP, yung first half mo na nag-score ka ng 3 3-point shots, gaano kalaki yun para magtuloy-tuloy ang ratsyada ng Bacolor coming to the second half?
Importante sa amin yan, no? Para yung mga baskets namin, kailangan maka-shoot lagi. At dinaan din namin sa depensa. Yun din.
At isa pang tanong, Kurt, or rather JP, napapanoin Kurt eh. JP, on the fourth quarter, nung nakita mo yung teammate na si Kurt Figueroa ay nakapag-slam-jaman ng 3 beses, anong pakiramdam sa yung lifting the spirits ng Bacolor?
Siyempre, naganaan kami lalo doon dahil isipin mo, 3 back-to-back na dunks yan. Ngayon lang namin na din nakaka-experience ng gano'n para sa team namin.
Sa tingin mo ba, going to the playoffs, magdadala yun yung ganong both offensive and defensive intensity sa Bacolor?
Oo naman, for sure yan.
So with that, dahil ikaw ang best player of the ballgame, JP, pwede ka nang bumati at magpasalamat. Here's the camera.
Binabati ko yung mga nanonood sa akin, yung mga tatay ko, mga pinsan ko. Ayan yung lola pati lola ko si Papa Don Mama Son. Ayan yung mga ano ko dyan. Thank you sa mga coaches namin. At dyan, shout out din sa mga kaibigan ko.
Okay, JP Pangilinan, congratulations. Good luck sa yung playoff run ng Bacolor. Again, JP Pangilinan with 19 points. And of course, kasama na dyan si Chog Moral with 13 points. At titignan natin ang team standings. Ang Villa Bacolor now has 4 wins and 6 loss. And of course, yung Mabalacat drops to 3 wins and 6 loss. Ating final score, 74-65. Bacolor wins. And ito na ang hinihintay ng lahat. Ang ating main game for this Saturday in Bayong, Mexico versus ILAB San Simon at 5 p.m. Of course, in behalf of Direk Norman Santiago, Direk Billy Ray, and the rest of the hard-working men and women ng ating SLA Sports Production, kasama ng ating courtside reporter na si Francine Marco. Ako po muli si Ryan Pajaro. We still have one more game to cover. Stay tuned. This is Delta Cup, a production of SLA Sports.